Hello and welcome to Southtech Tutorials. Today I will be taking you guys through SmartArt in PowerPoint. This is a very important feature in MS PowerPoint, and it is normally used for decorating words and making your presentations colorful ones. So now let us just open our PowerPoint. This is my MS PowerPoint. This is Publisher. So I'll just open PowerPoint. I'm using PowerPoint 2019. I'll go with blank presentation. This is always the default since I'm using Camtasia for recording this video. So I'll go back to File and I click on blank presentation. Yeah, this is the one I need because I want to start everything from the beginning for easier understanding, and for those ones who might not have covered the previous tutorial, you can still learn from this one. So our main topic for today is about SmartArt, and the main thing of SmartArt is to always put your points in a more presentable manner. So what we need to do, I just don't want to be typing points or list or numbers, giving them 1, 2, 3 if they are numbers, and then if they are alphabets I use the ABC. So all I need to do is to be presenting them in the best look possible, and that's why I'm teaching you guys about SmartArt. SmartArt does that very well. So this is a no title slide. Let us just change the layout. We have covered about this in the previous tutorial. So in order for me to change the layout, I just have to click on layout, and then since it is a title slide, I can change it to title and content. This is where I can write my title. So from here I can just type SmartArt. That's my title. If I don't want to use the normal typing way, I can decide to use a word art. I can just use word art for my title. Let me first do away with that, and I'll type it here. SmartArt. So that's my title for today. You can delete that so that I just remain with the title for SmartArt. Let us increase the number of slides. The easiest way is to just click on that very slide and click on enter. If we want to go to slide 3, just click on enter. 4, 5. So let us change the layout. Let me say title and content. I would love to change all their layouts to title and content. In the last one, so in the second slide, let us talk about the channel. Let's first give the title, which is the Southtech Tutorials. Here I shall talk about the description. Let me talk about lecturing of computer programming and computer applications. So this is just a brief description about the Southtech Tutorials channel. It is a YouTube channel. for those who might not be knowing what Southtech is. So on the third slide, I want us to talk about the courses which are taught under Southtech, and we shall divide them into two, which is the computer applications Then under computer applications, we have MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and finally MS Publishers. MS Publishers. Let us put all these things in form of bullets and just use that. And then on the fourth slide, we shall talk about, since that slide is about computer applications, here we shall talk about computer programming. Computer and the courses under computer programming, we have SQL. Apart from that, HTML and CSS, PHP, Laravel framework, and Java. Actually, Java is one of my best programming languages. I have to put it just below SQL. So the concept here, we want to beautify the way these things are looking in form of dots, or let me say, if I had converted these ones to numbers, here let me talk about the word art look. On the fifth slide, I'll talk about word art look. Word art format. Is that the spelling of format? Word art format. What I'm going to do in the word art format is I just want to give the different look between the way computer programming courses are looking here. Here they are in form of dots. I'll just copy that and I duplicate it here. I paste it this way. So our topic for today is mainly about the use of word art in MS PowerPoint. So here you can see the courses here, they are just numbered. Here they are dotted. But the best way you can present this, instead of you using these things of dots and numbers, let's apply the word art. You come to Insert, and then you go to SmartArt, and this is the main topic for today. Let me say we are using let's get a different use that. Let me change. I would like to go for list. let me go with that. I'll first undo, because I'm putting them in form of a double. So I'm starting afresh again, showing you the process of SmartArt. I just go to SmartArt, and then let me say I'm choosing this. I click OK. So from here I can just type. We are dealing with computer applications, computer programming. I can type here Java, and then under Java you can just talk about the subtopics which are under Java. Object-oriented programming, data structures, if you don't have endpoints under Java, you can just do the backspace, and then you reduce. This is how you can reduce them. If you don't want the suffix, you can just reduce them that way. This is a subtopic. This one is also a subtopic. So here you can type. Here we have not completed Java. You can type Java there, and then here you can type your SQL. Then this way you can type PHP, Laravel, HTML and CSS. When you're done, you can now close. If you don't want to type here in these boxes, you can just click directly, and then you edit from there. You can just type. It is both sided. You can either type in the direct boxes, or you can use the dialog, which is type your text here. So when you're done, you just close it. So I think you guys, you can now see the difference. The way the word art format is looking is different from the way we have just typed in form of numbers here. Here it looks much better, and it's really colorful. It looks more presentable here compared to this one where we're just numbering, compared to this as well. So this is just a different type of word art, but there are so many that you can apply. Just go back to Insert and click on SmartArt. You can go for hierarchy or pyramid. There are really different types here. I always like going for all, and then I choose. Let me say I choose that. So you can now see here what you do. It's just a matter of you clicking on that box for the text, and you type MS Word, MS PowerPoint, then you can put your Excel. Now you can see we don't have where we can again type access and publishers. What you do here, you have to look for the other dialog box, and you can just get it from here. This small arrow, you click on that arrow, and by the time you're at the end of your Excel, you just, if you want to add another package, another computer package, you just click on enter and you type access. If you want to add another one, you type there publishers. If you want to put sub courses under access, you just click on enter and tap. You type databases. So you can now see under access we have databases, and this is where it places itself. That's if you want to put a subtopic. You just click on enter and then you click on tab. If you want to put some subtopics under publishers. Since we don't want to put any subtopics, let us just remove. I'll remove databases. I just wanted to show you the concept. So you can now see this one looks more presentable. This method of listing the courses, it looks more presentable compared to this one which we are just numbering 1 up to 5, or this one which we have been giving dots. So what I'm trying to show you guys here in this tutorial is that make sure you adjust to the use of SmartArt. It makes your work look more presentable when you are giving out some presentation. So try to adopt this method of using SmartArt, and it is a very cool feature in Microsoft PowerPoint. Many people don't normally use it, maybe because they haven't yet known its unique use, but it's a much better feature to use in MS PowerPoint. So apart from presenting it in this manner, you can even go for more designs. Let me say you want to change the color. You can change the color from this way. You can give it different color, as you can see. You can even change the design. You can give it different design if you want it to look that way, or if you want it to look this way. And this one is really perfect. Here it gives you an option to get the picture and you insert to talk about MS Word. So you can, if you have an image for what you are talking about, you just put it that way. Like for me now, I can just go and I look for a picture of MS Word, any picture talking about Microsoft. I can decide to go with that. It really reflects. So you can see this is about MS Word. If I want to go for PowerPoint, I go and I choose my file. I look for any nice picture connected to PowerPoint. For example, I have some pictures here for PowerPoint. I click on insert and you can see. So the procedure remains the same for whatever presentation you are going to do. It depends according to what you have, what you want to present to different communities or to different organizations. So I'm just showing you the concept here, and it is a very nice feature you can use in MS PowerPoint to organize your presentations. In the next lecture, I will take you guys through transitions and animations, how you can make your titles bounce, how you can make different slides just also move in different timing. So I'll show you all those in the upcoming videos. If the video has been helpful, please give a thumbs up and comment where you are not so getting me well. I'll be able to adjust accordingly. Thanks for now.